Welcome to Espresso Outlet. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to pull a perfect shot using the Turin Gallatin Espresso machine. Let's get started. Step 1. Start with fresh, high-quality coffee beans. The better the beans, the better the espresso. Make sure the grinder is set to a fine grind size. Step 2. Dose 18 to 20 grams of coffee into your portafilter, depending on your preference and basket size. Step 3. Level the grounds to ensure an even distribution. Step 4. Tamp the coffee with firm, even pressure. A level tamp is key to a consistent extraction. Step 5. Release water and steam from the group. Step 6. Lock the portafilter into the group head securely. Make sure it's snug but not over-tightened. Step 7. Lift the lever and start your shot. The Turin Gallatin's precise controls make it easy to monitor shot time and pressure. Step 8. Aim for a shot time of 25 to 30 seconds, with a steady stream that looks like warm honey. Adjust your grind size as the shot flows too fast or too slow. And there you have it, a beautifully pulled shot of espresso from the Turin Gallatin. Smooth, rich, and ready to enjoy or use for the base of any of your favorite espresso drink. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the Turin Gallatin or pulling the perfect shot, feel free to reach out to us at Espresso Outlet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coffee tips and tutorials.